Even though the wind blows, I just want you to know you cause me no alarm, 'cause I'm safe in his arms. Even though the rain falls, I can still make this call. Let there be peace, so I can say, go away. I command you to move today. Because of faith, I have a brand new day. The sun will shine and I will be okay. That's what I told the storm. I told the storm, you got to go, you got to leave. All right, that's it for the gospel challenge, you guys. Have a good day.